All right, good afternoon. Let's do a quick market profile update on the broader S&P this afternoon. We closed today we closed right at 1408.50 after opening at 1412. Pretty much a flat open from the close yesterday, 1412 and a quarter. And we were trading down most of the morning after trying to get to the highs. The highs yesterday were 14, again set here about 1417 and a half. Recall last week when we hit this 1415, we did trade a little bit higher up to 1419.75 that night, but then began the multi-day sell-off that really finished down here on the 29th. For some reason, again, the 28th isn't showing up on the profile. But going back here the last couple weeks, you can see we're kind of tied into this range, 1385 to 1420. Again, 1420 was reached overnight. Let's call it 1380, 1420. So we're locked into this range. Today was interesting. We again were pretty slow, selling off most of the morning. Again, you see the B time frame opening up. Made a little jab down, a little jab up, but couldn't proceed, and then kind of one time down with a big K candle coming here on the Fed announcement of the minute, saying that further easing probably wouldn't be necessary. So where are we? Pretty square trading on the market today, pretty balanced, and we closed right in the middle here, again right around the point of control, 1408. Yesterday was a P formation, which was somewhat of a warning. The day before also was a P. So we're 2 days into April trading. We've got a short week with the holidays, Good Friday coming up, and Easter Sunday and Passover, all jamming up here together at the same time. And where does this lead us? Well, again, over 1420, we may reach up to that 1440, 50, 60 area. And below, we still got to get really below a close of 1380 before we're going to break down. So that's kind of where we are. Oil's all over the place. Went from 108s down to 102, 102 back to 105.50 yesterday, and today, as we sit, oil's sitting right on the 104 level. So again, oil looking a little tired to us on a broader time frame schedule. Unless it gets back over 109, 110, it might be able to reach the year's high of 114. So gold got slapped very hard on that Fed announcement. It went from really about 1675 all the way down to, I think it reached about 45, maybe even 40. So it went down about $30. It does seem to me to be Fed, with their news today, has a war on gold right now, and they're winning it right now with that battle today that took place. They really took gold to the woodshed, took out lows for really the past 3 days, and we're testing that low again set on the 29th, which was right around 1645. So again, everything's kind of flipping and flopping and really directionless. Again, where does this leave us tomorrow? Well, unless we can bring in a new high tomorrow, I'd say you'd want to be a seller after this action today. But you could also argue that, again, we were saying this morning that this 1400 level down to 1395, as long as that held, which it did, we got down to 1399.50 again today, 99. Was a nice buy, and we rallied right into the close, right to the point of control here at that 1409.10 level. However, that is really kind of indicative of a market that's probably going to continue lower tomorrow. So if you weren't in a position, it might be worthwhile to get short overnight up to 1420, as long as we don't take out that 1420. So again, 1408 up to 1420, scale in, lever in, and look for lower prices. See if we can test that 1400 for the third time really here in the last 3 days. So Friday, again, the low is 95, and then we were kind of hanging around there all day until the end of the day, and then just kind of balanced out there at 1403. So we'll watch this 1399 level, crucial. 1420 is crucial right now in the interim, and I'll be back at you later. Peace.